Hello! Using this small house as an example, I want to show you how you can insulate the walls of a house in just one day using foam concrete. To eliminate the air pocket, you need to get access to it. For this, we drill a grid of holes in all the walls that need to be insulated, with a step of 1 meter. High-quality foam concrete consists of several components. The cement solution consists of cement, water, and a small amount of hardener. Additionally, to obtain foam concrete, an organic foam generator and air are required. All these components are fed through hoses to the mixing system. Before starting the wall insulation, we check the quality of the foam concrete that we will use to fill the air pocket. The mixing system, where all the ingredients for producing foam concrete are combined, is located directly near the work site. Foam concrete is fed into the drilled holes through a cone-shaped tube. We control the quality of filling the air pocket by checking the neighboring holes. To insulate the walls of the house properly, we start filling the void from the base, foundation, and rise up to the roof, and so on for each wall. Throughout the entire insulation process, we monitor the quality of the foam concrete. After the work is completed, all the holes in the walls are sealed with a special adhesive to prevent any mechanical impact on the foam concrete. To get in touch with us, call this phone number and get a consultation. We have been working for over 7 years and guarantee the quality of our work.